I'm Jeff Bateman, and welcome back to some more Creator View news. Today, we are going to be talking about the security in Creator View. Now, in fact, there is security in Creator View. Generally, they will stop things like theft and crime. So if you're a victim of that, call the Creator View Sheriff's Department. This will end the Creator View News Hour. Thank you so much for watching. We now bring you to the CRVW music station. On station 895, that is.
We interrupt this program at the request of the United States government at 5:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. 3 nuclear missiles were spotted on military radar heading toward Craterview, Arizona. Missiles harming the area is confirmed to be definite. These missiles are extremely destructive, especially when combined. No place in the United States is safe. Anyone in the US is instructed to leave the country immediately by civil defense. It is advised to head to Canada if you are in the northern part of the US. If you are in the southern part of the US, it is advised you head to Mexico. If you go to Mexico, tune to station 56.3. If you go to Canada, tune to station 102.0. These stations will be broadcasting the US President's speech. Again, no place in the US is safe. Anyone in the US is instructed to leave the country immediately by civil defense. A message from the President of the United States will appear on cell phones and radios only.